You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this really cute, messy, curly bun on old straight hair. I basically straightened my hair and it's like a week old, so I'm trying out a little different hairstyles for when it's old. So if you're not already subscribed, hit subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into this tutorial. So like I said, first off, I'm starting out on old straightened hair, and I'm not quite ready to wash my hair yet, so I'm going to do a cute little messy style. I'm going to use heat protectant first. This is my Fantasia IC, and I'm just spraying it all over. I really like this heat protectant, and it is also really good for when you straighten your hair. It protects it and it also gives it a nice shine. What I'm going to be doing is pulling out two pieces of hair in the very front, as you guys can see, and just making sure it's kind of like even. And yes, I poked myself in the eye just now. But I'm just going to pull out two pieces and make it kind of even and seeing where it frames my face. This is going to be the little curls that are going to be in the front. And for this side, you are going to need like a wand curler. So I already had it heating up for my hair as well. And I'm just taking the rest of the hair and putting it away because I'm going to work on that later on. So yeah, you're basically just going to make sure those hairs are framing your face nicely where you want, and you can pull out as much as hair as you want to for this. So I'm going to take a section of it and wand curl it, and you actually want to wand curl like with your curler facing downwards, as you can see I did on the second piece, because it'll make it fall the correct way. So downwards, let it go, and it will fall correctly. And that's basically it. It's really easy, and you don't have to apply too much heat to your hair. So I'm just applying it, and I'm leaving the curler on for like 10 seconds, and then I'll release it. So 10 seconds each section, and then I let it go. And that's what those little curls look like in the front. And then I'm taking the bun in the back and moving it up high. I'm not sleeking it at all because this is a messy style, and I'm just going to place it into a nice high bun. So I'm showing you guys that right now, and I don't completely put it in a bun. As you can see, there's still hair left out because I'm going to fan out the bun so it can be as big as possible. You never want to completely put it in if you want it to be a big bun, if that makes sense. And now I'm just going to shape it to my liking. So I kind of wanted it to be like a top knot ninja looking bun, so I took bobby pins and kind of maneuvered the bun to that shape. And that's basically it. Like, it's super simple. And then I'm just going to take out some hairs in the back to make it a little bit more messy. So I'm taking out two hairs and I'm going to curl those. And yes, I accidentally burned myself. Be careful not to burn yourself. And yeah, now I'm going ahead and use my instant control, and I'm just going to lay down my baby hairs as well. I feel like, you know, it adds to the style. So adding some quick little baby hairs, and that's really it. Like, this style is super easy to do. It's super simple. I got tons of compliments on it. It really looks like you took the time to do your hair, but it's really cute because those little curls in the front. So this is the finished look. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Here's a full 360 of my hair.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care what.